to self-restitute of what our people has gone through in the past. We're not asking for much. We can build ourselves into the market and build ourselves back into the economy and self-agriculture with the tools that is being blessed for us. Our land was removed and now we couldn't do any of this, but now we have opportunities from the blessings of NutriQuil, getting us these facilities that we can build. It's standing barren. So we have it now. All we need is the cash. 250 to 500,000 to R1 million will be a blessing to rebuild our structures that is bestowed upon us by this people that is blessed us these facilities. I mean, coming from farming on a kraal that is still being attacked daily, Knoffelkraal, by the powers that be, to these facilities safe. All we need is a lift up. And the lift up, you will lift up communities. Under me, senior traditional leader, Kohokwa and Gainekwa, it's about 500 to 1 million people or more. It's the whole of Cape Town. It's the biggest tribe in the Western Cape is the Kohokwa and the Gainekwa tribes. And they are the most people that was put in a total diaspora. The land was taken, the language was taken, and now made to work in a system where they can't because they don't have any produce or land to make produce. Shaikanganki, Amase, thank you very much. Pekas.